Hello everybody. So now we look into the aileron tissue. What is the aileron tissues? The aileron tissues are found on the outermost layer of endosperms of the seed of Gramineae arborescens. So one thing is very important, aileron layer, the outermost covering of the endosperms, and this is the typical character of the endosperms of family Poaceae and Gramineae. So basically the aileron layer is the outermost covering of endosperm in the cereals. Cereals means grains. The aileron cells contain several aileron grains under the electron microscope. Each aileron grain is enclosed by a single unit membrane. So aileron cell are the single unit membrane. Remember, ribosome is the single unit membrane. Vacuole is the single unit membrane, and aileron cell is the single unit membrane. So whenever asked the question which organelles are the single unit membrane, then do not forget to mention aileron cell, that is the outermost layer of cells that cover endosperm in the cereal seed. Next, the main component of aileron grains inside the aileron cells, that is the inside the aileron cell means single unit membrane cell, you find the aileron grains, and aileron grain main component are protein, phytin, phospholipid and carbohydrate. So aileron is the single word, aileron molecule is the single word that is composed of protein, phytin, phospholipid and carbohydrate. Each grain contains a protein carbohydrate body. Each aileron grain contains of protein carbohydrate body that is known as globite cavity. Where does globite cavity found? In aileron grain. How many globite cavity in the aileron grain? Each aileron grain has one protein carbohydrate body that is known as globite cavity and surrounded by numerous stereosomes. The aileron grains secrete hydrolytic enzymes like amylase and proteases. They are very important for the germination of embryo into the new plant. So that's all about the aileron tissue. Aileron tissue is not only protein. Aileron tissues are made up of 4 different types of molecules: protein, phytin, carbohydrate and phospholipid. So these are the 4 important biomolecules that when combined together they form aileron grains, and aileron grains are found in the cell known as aileron cells, found outside to the endosperm as a outer layer. Thank you very much.